In this video, I'm going to show you how to create images using Gemini. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to gemini.google.com, and here it's going to say Ask Gemini. Now, once you've opened a new chat, you want to first click on this part over here. So you want to make it the blue, which says Generate with Imagen. Now, once you've done this, you can then type in whatever image you would like. So for me, I'm just going to type in Generate an image of a sports car riding on a, let's say, road towards a sunset or something like this, okay? Or of course it's going to be driving because it's not riding. There we go. Now, of course, you can describe it in as much detail as you want to. I'm just going to type in make it very realistic. There we go. And then you want to just click on submit over here, and then it's going to start generating your image. Now, this is going to take a few seconds, upwards to a few minutes, so depending on how many generations are currently going on. And of course, once this is generated, there we go. This is now your image. Now, as you can see, this is pretty good. Now, it is a sports car. It's quite realistic, and it's basically riding, and there's like a sunset in the back. There's like a nice road over here. This could be a very realistic essentially image, okay? Now, of course, depending on whatever you ask it to do, it may not be as realistic as this one, but some prompts which you can find online will help you achieve whatever you want. But this is essentially how you create images using Gemini. So switch this on, type whatever you want to see, type what image you'd like to get, and then you will see that image in just a few seconds. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.